Put the egg in the bowl and mix well, add the dashi. Add soy sauce, mirin, Ajinomoto, stir well. Filter eggs in a draining boil to make it smooth. Wash the ingredients with thin soy sauce and wipe off extra thin soy sauce with kitchen paper or towel. Put meat, fish etc. under the container. Put the dashi containing egg in a container. Move the inside part a little so that the heat runs smoothly. Place each container in a steamer. Heat the fire with medium heat for about 10 minutes and steam it. It is insufficient if water comes out by stabbing a toothpick in the egg part. If bubbles are formed on the surface of eggs, it is steaming too much. Put the 3 leaves, steam for 1 minute to complete. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Click the like button. Subscribe now.